All right, guys, so here's a video sample with the Xiaomi Mi A1 and the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. And I told you I would give you another video on these things outdoors. So here it is. This is a 4K sample. Indoors, it seems like the Redmi did better in that low light situation, especially with the front cameras. But here it is outside. So look at how they're both producing the colors. And you tell me which one you like better. There's no kind of special tripod rig or anything I'm doing. I'm just kind of holding these and then I'll walk out this 4K sample. Hopefully I can get it uploaded. So I've been having trouble getting things onto YouTube. I don't know if anybody else has been, but it's been scaling down my videos for some reason. So I've been having to work 2 times as hard just to get things done. But here's the footage here. You can see how it's producing. Now I'm going to walk down stairs. No EIS or no OIS on either phone, but I'm just kind of walking, swaying. You can kind of see no zoom effect or anything. I'm just giving you a straight 4K sample from each one of these. This is what you can expect. I just came from the gym, super tired, so I wanted to shoot some video. Let's check out the front now. Good footage on these. Looks like the front cameras are going to be really good. It's sunny. I got to squint. Just came from the gym. No excuses. And also look at how it's producing the orange on my shirt, because I know how accurate that color is. So you tell me which one you think is better.